Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I know, it's shocking, isn't it? But this time I have a little haul, courtesy of blackbetty.com. Now, I'd never heard of them. They contacted me, they said, would you like to pick a couple of things and review them? And I said, yeah, why not? And they also were very, very generous and said that we will give your viewers a 50% discount off their shop. So, I thought, well, I have to, right? I have to give it a go. 50%, that's brilliant. Now, the thing about blackbetty.com is that they sell clothing on their site that they get from overstocks from high street retailers. But the thing about that is they have to keep the high street retailers that they use a secret. And the reason for that is because when they sell it for a limited time on their website, the overstocking from the high street retailers, they offer it for up to 90% off the retail price, which is insane. I had so much fun going around looking at the site, and I'm not a big, I don't really like clothes shopping. That's the thing. I would rather do anything, I think, than wander around the high street looking for clothes. It's just such a bore. However, I really do quite like online clothes shopping, and I had such a ball trying to find some stuff that I thought would really kind of work for me. Because I'm a bit weird with my clothes, I'm a bit fussy. And I found some absolute gems. I was a little bit reticent, I have to say, about the quality. One, because of the pricing. The prices for some of these things, you know, you can get like a top for £5. I think the most expensive thing I got was something that was like £12, you know? So I was a little bit reticent about how well the quality would be. Oh my god, I couldn't believe it when the parcel turned up. I actually couldn't believe it. I got 3 items for £20.85, which they kindly gifted me, the £20. So I went 85p over, and for 85p's worth of a haul, I cannot believe the quality of their clothing. I'm not going to say that everything is going to be this wonderful and this amazing, because that's just not the case, even with the most expensive retailers. But from my experience, the things that I have, I'm completely in love with. I wore them out immediately, and I've worn them every day since I got them. They're really unique, and the quality is insane. So enough blabbing, let's go down and show you the 3 things that I picked. Okay, so first of all, this was the first thing that I opened in the parcel, and I just couldn't believe it. I absolutely couldn't believe it. I will put it on for you in a minute, but it is a cardigan. It's like a kind of a waterfall type cardigan with these black sleeves. They're completely different. They're kind of like a shiny material. Can you see? They're completely different material to the cardigan itself. And I was in love with this. The minute I saw it on the site, I thought, oh my god, that's so unusual. And I kind of like my cardigans. They're kind of, you know, because, I mean, it never really gets that hot over here, even in the height of the summer. So you always have to be prepared. You know, it gets freezing after about 7 o'clock at night. So I thought, well, this is something I could wear, you know, well into the early summer. And I absolutely love it. It looks lovely on. So I'll just pop this on for you so you can see what it looks like. But I just fell in love. The quality, you can probably tell. The quality, there's no, you know, hemming that's been done incorrectly. There's no, do you know what I mean? There's nothing on it that you look at it and you go, oh, that's cheap. I couldn't believe how expensive it looked. I really seriously couldn't, so I'll pop it on for you. I don't know about you, but I love it. And that's what it looks like from the back. I hate cardigans that kind of stop here. Panelled arms, I love them. If you look at the, see? It's really kind of this nice shiny material. It's so comfortable to wear. I'm always kind of looking for something that's different. I don't like stuff on the high street, this is the thing. But strangely enough, if I ever came across a retailer that sold stuff like this, I'd be a goner, all my money would go on it. So that's the cardigan. The next thing I picked was a top. Now I'm fussy about tops. I like black tops, I don't really like coloured tops. I don't. I like kind of stuff that's coloured with patterns that you can put over it, but I don't like pattern tops. I'm weird. So I saw this. I'm not going to try this on because you know what a jumper looks like, right? I saw this and I thought, oh, that's pretty. But I couldn't really tell. You know, you just never know. But it is absolutely gorgeous. The quality of it is stunning. And it's got these, let's see, it has the 2 little ties around the front. So I just kind of tie those loosely, like so, into a knot. Not like that. But it looks beautiful on. Oh my god, it looks so nice on. And the thing that you can't see, which hopefully you can see if there we go. It's kind of like silvery. The material is unbelievable. This is from a company called Concept, and I do believe they are the same people that made the cardigan. So I was on to a winner there from the start. This is a large, by the way, as is the cardigan, because I find if I pick a medium, my boobs don't fit in whatever I pick. So, yeah. I picked a large in, well, pretty much everything. I just feel it's safer. So if you just look, that's what it looks like. There we go, you can see it now. It is so gorgeous. I've worn this 2 days running actually, which is so unusual for me, but it's just so lovely. It's lovely. I love stuff like this. Really classy. And look at that material. That material is really expensive looking. I love it. So that was the top I picked. Okay, now this is saving the best for last. This is absolutely saving the best for last. I looked at their coats because I have a full length leather coat which looks lovely, however is so cold to wear. There is no warmth in it at all, but it looks nice. And I am a rare one for walking around, even if it's snowing, wearing very little clothing. I don't know why I do it. You know, anyone would have thought that, you know, I was kind of naturally from a hot country where I just kind of like, oh, it's fine, it's not cold. And I'm like that. It's a family thing. We're not people that bundle up with, like, you know, snow boots and earmuffs, and it's like, and then we get outside and it's like, God, I'm freezing. So I wanted a coat. Now I know you might be thinking it's March nearly. Why are you buying coats? You know, everyone's buying, like, you know, swimwear for their holidays. But I wanted a nice coat, and I saw this one and I thought, coats are difficult, right? Can you get a nice coat for £13? I wasn't so sure. Okay, this turned up. I fell in love. Like, I seriously fell in love. It is so nice. And I'll put it on. And it looks like this. It's like an oversized football jersey, like an oversized American football jersey, but in a coat. It has buttons. It has zips. The inside of it is lined, if you can see. Oh my god, it is just, it's really heavy. Like, it's really heavy. There's none of this cheap, nasty material. It's made by a company called Isa. Never heard of them. Isa. I'm just in love. I'm absolutely in love. It has pockets. The pockets have little emblems on them, little metal emblems, if you can see. This is crazy. It looks so nice on, so I'll try it on for you. Can you see? Can't get the full. I can't get the full effect of it. There we go. So there's the bottom. So it comes down quite far, and although I'm quite short, doesn't it? I just love it. I was really concerned that it would swamp me, and I'd kind of look like I was wearing someone else's clothing, but I don't think it does swamp me. I think it is just one of the nicest things, and it's such nice quality. You can see the inside properly lined, see? It's all the piping and the edging, proper buttons that actually button up. And this silver detail, I freaking love this. And it's so unusual. It is just so unusual. So although I'm not a clothes horse and I really don't enjoy shopping for clothes, I really enjoyed picking those things, and I was even more joyous when they arrived. The quality is outstanding. And I know that they gave me the voucher to buy them and everything, but it really wouldn't have made any difference. If the quality was crap, I would come on here and I'd be honest and I'd tell you. The things that I picked, they're sensational quality. So, the 50% off code for you guys is WILD50, capital letters, all one word. I'll put it down below. Make sure that you go to the link down below. Okay, so I'll put that link down below, and then when you get to the checkout, put in WILD50, it takes 50% off your order. I mean, it's like, you know, it's like free clothing. This stuff is so cheap already, and they're going to give you 50% off. You just have to go and do that. So WILD50 at the checkout, use the link down below. So that is my review, guys, of BlackBetty.com's clothing, the things I picked. I couldn't have, you know, if I'd gone to like a warehouse, I couldn't have picked stuff better myself. I just, like, I really wasn't too sure about the quality, but the quality for the things that I picked is sensational. And the price, oh my goodness. I'll see if I can link the things down below that I bought, or ordered rather. I'm not sure if they'll still be available. And also the code for the 50% off is only for a limited time. So I'm not quite sure how limited, but if you're umming and ahhing about it, you know, don't wait and then it won't work. So quickly. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I hope it was helpful. Maybe kind of introduce you to a new brand, because I love that coat. I'm looking at it now lovingly. I love that coat. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Hope it was helpful, and I will see you all in my next video. And if you do make a purchase from blackbetty.com with my code and the link down below, then come on Instagram and tell me what you bought. I'd really love to know. So yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye everyone.